Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to hopefully resolve if Windows keeps changing your power plan automatically without user input, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung control panel. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, dito na sa taas, makikita mo dito yung category. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung large icon para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power actions. And then dito sa power actions, so ang next step, dito lang sa selected plan, kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung balance. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung change plan settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa change plan settings, ang next step ay, dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung restore default settings for this plan. So click lang natin yan. And then pop up itong power options. Are you sure you want to restore this plan's default settings? And then click lang natin itong yes. And then after dito, so close lang natin yan. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now, one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito na sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows keeps changing the power plan and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.